Hello, I am a Coca-Cola drink made to refresh and energize, best enjoyed chilled during hot weather or moments of relaxation. Hello, I am a laptop built for work, learning, and creativity, best used when you need focus, productivity, or long hours of digital tasks.
Hello, I am a bicycle, built for health, zero emissions, and short trips, best used on bike lanes and calm roads during clear weather.
Hello, I am yogurt, packed with probiotics, and I help support a balanced gut, where much of your immune support begins.
Hello, I am a city bus, built to move many passengers efficiently, best used during peak hours on fixed routes to reduce traffic congestion.
Hello, I am a motorcycle, made for speed, flexibility, and fuel savings, perfect for avoiding traffic and short-distance travel in busy areas.
Hello, I am a city sedan built for smooth daily driving, fuel efficiency, and comfort, best used on paved city roads during normal traffic hours.
Hello, I am a phone, designed to keep you connected, informed, and entertained, best used when communication or quick access to information is needed.
Hello, I am spinach, full of iron and antioxidants, and I help support healthy blood flow and overall vitality.
Hello, I am bread, made to provide quick energy and nourishments, best enjoyed fresh during breakfast or meals when your body needs fuel.
Hello, I am a cup, built to hold your drink safely, best used when you want comfort, hydration, or warmth throughout the day.
Hello, I am a train, designed for fast and safe mass transportation, ideal for long distances and daily commuting between cities or suburbs.
Hello, I am sweet potato, full of beta-carotene and fiber, and I help support healthy skin and digestion.
Without wasting much of your time, I'm going to show you how you can create object talking videos like this. You can use any object and it will be talking like this. This type of video is going viral right now. A lot of people are posting this type of video on their TikTok account, on their social media account, and they are getting massive views. And I'm going to show you how you can create something amazing like this in less than 5 minutes. You can create a lot of videos. Without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it. So to make this type of video, the first thing you have to do is to enter ChatGPT. Now go to ChatGPT and you are going to paste this master prompt. This master prompt is going to be on my Telegram channel. So immediately you head over to my Telegram channel, you are going to see this master prompt. Now you copy it and you go to ChatGPT and you paste it and you click on continue. Immediately you paste this master prompt on ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to write the video prompt for you for each scene. Image to video prompt for each scene, and also image prompt. As you can see, this is the characters. As you can see, this is everything. Now make sure you head over to the description of this video and you are going to see the link to my Telegram channel. You join my Telegram channel and you are going to find this master prompt which you are going to use to start creating amazing videos like this. Now ChatGPT is generating everything for us. Now let's give it some minutes. After ChatGPT generate everything, I'm going to show you how you are going to generate images. After you successfully generate the images, you also generate videos. Now, I've successfully generated everything for us. Now, as you can see, this is our image prompt. For the first one, as you can see, first scene here, the second scene, also the third scene, and everything. ChatGPT have successfully generated everything for us. Now, let me show you how you are going to generate your image. Now, to generate your image, the first thing you are going to do is to tap on this first prompt here, which is the image prompt. Now, when you tap on it, you copy everything. As you can see, you click on copy. Now when you click on all copy, you come back to this AI tool. Now this is the AI tool we are going to use to generate our image. Now the first thing you are going to do is to copy paste your prompt here. Now after you paste your prompt, the next thing you click on this icon here so that you can select, you click on this icon here so that you can select your aspect ratio. So far we want to use our video for TikTok or for Facebook. We are selecting 9.16. Now after clicking on 9.16, the next thing you're going to do is to click on this arrow here and start generating your image. Now as you can see, it's generating our image. So we just need to give it some minutes and this AI tool is going to help us generate our image. So if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, it has successfully generated two types of image for us. Now, as you can see, this is the first one here. Now, let me zoom the image so that you see. This is the first one here. Now, as you can see, this is the first one. Now, let me show you the second one so that we select among of the two. Now, this is the second one. I think I prefer this second one or the first one. Let's go by the first one, which is this one here. Let's go by this one. I like the color and everything. Now, after do this, we download it to our phone. Now, let's download this one to our phone. It has successful download to our phone. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go back to ChatGPT again. Now this is ChatGPT. We'll copy our second image prompt here. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you are going to create the video. Now you copy our second image prompt. After you copy the second image prompt, you come back to the AI tool again and we paste everything here. We paste everything. We paste everything, our second image prompt, and we'll click on generate. Now we'll give it some minutes again and it is going to help us generate another image. So this is how you are going to do, and you generate all the image scene one by one. You come back to ChatGPT and you follow it one by one. You generate all the image scene. Now after you successfully generate all the image scene, the next thing you are going to do is to save the image to your phone. And if you save the image to your phone, you are going to convert the image to video using Grok AI. Don't worry, I'm going to show you. But first, let's check our second image. Let's check our result here. Now, as you can see, this is the result. Wow, I love this. I like this one. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to click on download. Also, we save it to our phone, or you can choose from the second image, anyone you like. You can decide to choose and save it to your own phone. Now, let's save this second one here. So after you successfully save all the images, you generate all the images, the next thing you are going to do is to go to Grok AI, where we'll be making our image to video. Now, let me take you guys to Grok AI. Now, this is Grok AI. This is Grok AI. Now, when you come to Grok AI, the next thing you are going to do, the first thing you are going to do is to click on Imagine here. Now, when you click on Imagine, you click on this plus icon here, and you click on Photo Library. So we can upload our image. The first image we generated, this is the first image, and we upload it to our phone. Now, this is the first image. We have uploaded it to Grok AI. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to go back to ChatGPT, where we are going to copy our first image to video prompt. Now, as you can see, this is the first thing. This is our first image to video prompt. We copy everything like this. After copying, we go back to Grok AI and we are going to paste it here. Now, before we paste it, we click on make image. As you can see, we click on make video and we click on customize and we paste our prompt. Don't forget to click on make video and you click on customize. Then you paste your prompt, then you click on generate and you give it some minutes, and Grok AI is going to generate the image to video for you in less than 1 minute with everything you need. Grok AI is going to generate it. So meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that you'll be getting latest videos like this anytime we drop new videos. Subscribe for more videos. Now, let's give it some minutes and Grok AI has successfully generate our image to video.
Hello, I am a city sedan. Built for smooth daily driving, fuel efficiency, and comfort. Best use.
Now, as you can see, this is how our result look like. This is how our
paved
result
city
look
roads
like.
during normal traffic hours. Hello.
So you can decide to download this to your phone, and the next thing you are going to do is to upload your second image again. After you upload your second image, for example, let's go back. We upload our second image again. Now we click on Photo Library and we upload our second image. After uploading second image, we go back to ChatGPT again and we upload the second image to video prompt. Now, as you can see, image to video prompt. Now, we come back to Grok AI again. We click on make a video, customize, and we paste our prompts and we click on generate so that Grok AI is going to generate our second video for us. So this is how you are going to be doing it, and you'll be making a lot of videos which you are going to be posting on your TikTok account, Facebook Reels, and also from YouTube Reels, and you'll be making massive views. You'll be getting massive views. So this is how you are going to be doing it. You can do any object, anything, you can do it. So if you need the master prompt, I'm going to leave it down in my Telegram channel. And my Telegram channel
Hello,
link,
I am an SUV.
my Telegram channel link is going to be in the description of this video. So go and get that. Now let's play our result.
Designed for extra space, stability, and rougher roads, making me ideal for family trips, bad weather, or uneven routes. Hello,
Now,
I am an SUV.
this is how our result is. This is our result. So this is how you are going to be creating something amazing like this. Now you have seen how you can create an entire video from beginning to the end. So make sure you like this video, and if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys on our next video.